Hello, I'm Cameron from the NAIT Mawji Centre team and Compute 401. To start off, the NAIT Mawji Centre organizes competitions for NAIT students, allowing them to pitch startup ideas in a competition format and potentially secure funding. Today I'll be demonstrating our competition application and showing how it streamlines both the competition and the voting process for NAIT. To organize a competition, I'll start by navigating to the admin login panel and signing in. From there, I can view current and past competitions using these cards in front of us, or switch to a list mode for a more compact layout. I can also use the search bar up top to search for any of my competitions, or use the filters at the top to locate whatever I need. To create a competition, click the plus button in the top right corner. Here we can name our competitions, select the start date and end date. Optionally, we can also add a description and a password for the events. And we also need to select the voting mode. Voting types are explained below each card, but for a quick rundown, in ranked voting, the voters will rank participants from 1 to the number of participants. In top choice, participants will vote for their favorite businesses off of a list of categories which are made by the admin. And in scoring, participants will score a business off of admin submitted criterion. Anyways, let's create the competition. Here you can see an overview of your competition. You can see the start date, end date, and voting type, as well as a general summary containing all the information you need. You can click edit to edit any features of the competition, like add a description or maybe a password. And as you see, the description is updated right there. If you'd like to add participants, click the Manage Participants link here, or you can navigate to the sidebar and click the Participants button. In the Participants menu, you can manually add participants using the Add Participant button, or import them using the Import from Excel button. Before importing, download and fill out the template using the link in the blue card below. Using the Add Participant button, I'm going to manually add some data for our new competition. For users to vote, a competition needs to be active. So looking in the top right corner of the card, we can see our competition is marked as upcoming. To mark it as active, we can wait for the start date or manually start it from the competition details page. Then we can navigate to the QR code page. Here we generate a QR code which can be downloaded. It navigates to the link below for voting. So if a voter accesses that link or scans the QR code, you'll navigate straight to the voting page. From the user's point of view, they start by entering their email for voter identification. They're then directed to the voting page, which changes based on the competition type. Since we chose ranked voting for this competition, we are guided to the ranked voting page. Here users drag and drop participants in order of preference, and as a note, for all voting types, users can reset and recast their vote before the competition ends. For top choice, users select their favorite team within each category. For scoring, users rate teams based on admin-defined criteria by using sliders or entering the scores directly on the right. After the competition ends, users can revisit the voting page and click View Results to see a graphic of the top 3 teams for that competition. On the admin side, votes are tallied in the Votes tab. Here you can export to a CSV file. You can also delete individual or multiple votes by using the delete fields. For the entire lifespan of the competition and after, the results can be viewed with a vote amount and a percentage indicating which teams are in the lead. And that about does it for the core features in the NAIT Mawji app. Thanks!